Kolmar Korea has served as a companion for the customer's healthy and beautiful life. Kolmar Korea is a company that specializes in conducting research on cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and health supplements, and is also #1 company in ODM CMO Total Service. Kolmar Korea is always described as the first. It has the largest production size for a standalone plant in Asia, having introduced GMP, previously universalized in the pharmaceutical industry. As the first instance in the cosmetics industry, the company is touted as having upgraded the quality of the local cosmetics. Kolmar Korea is strengthening the pharmaceutical business by investing in the pharmaceutical production infrastructure. Expanded in 2017, the Sejong Pharmaceutical Plant not only has previously available production lines for solid formulations, medicine for internal and external use, ointments and creams, pastes, and IV fluids, but now, in addition, can manufacture eye drops and parenteral injection by creating facilities for aseptic and sterilized drugs. Having acquired CJ Healthcare in 2018, with its 30-year pharmaceutical know-how, Kolmar Korea has grown into a pharmaceutical company with the infrastructure for producing the country's largest dosage formulas and excellent human resources. Now, Kolmar Korea leads the new paradigm for the pharmaceutical industry. Providing total services in research, development, and production for 500 or so companies worldwide, Kolmar Korea has been growing more than 20% per year. At the background of this, there was Kolmar Korea's efforts in hiring more than 30% of employees as researchers and investing more than 5% of annual sales into R&D. Kolmar Korea, an R&D-centered company, perfects its fusion technology through exchange of functions and technology of core industries. In 2019, Kolmar Korea will carry on its R&D innovation with the establishment of the Integrated Research Institute in Naegok-dong. Kolmar Korea has continued its growth since its creation in 1990, and the company has Ubo Choli management and organic management philosophy in the backdrop, meaning walking a long distance with a cow step. Ubo Choli represents the management philosophy of Kolmar Korea. Cows may walk slowly, but they never walk back, like cows that never stop and continuously moving forward. Kolmar Korea has steadily marched on toward its goal. Organic management is the management principle of Kolmar Korea that is committed to growing appropriate talents by actively supporting the tasks that benefit individual employees the most. Just as all grasses growing on land carry unique virtues, all persons have their unique abilities. Kolmar Korea puts its efforts to discover and nurture the talents of businesses and leaders. Kolmar people grow naturally in the healthy soil of Kolmar, which has been cultivated with principles and promises. Armed with this philosophy, Kolmar Korea stands as the best reliable partner and leader of the industry. Kolmar Korea has silently marched on toward the goal of a centennial enterprise that registers sustainable growth. With unwavering principles and basics, we will cherish and safeguard the value of healthy beauty.